Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at an ATM. First, locate an ATM that supports contactless transactions. These ATMs are easily identifiable by the contactless symbol, which looks like a sideways Wi-Fi icon. Before you begin, make sure your Apple device, whether it's an iPhone or Apple Watch, is sufficiently charged and that your Apple Pay is already set up with your preferred debit card. To start your transaction, simply hold your Apple device close to the contactless reader on the ATM. Your device will prompt you to authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Once authenticated, you'll be able to select the specific debit card you want to use from your Apple Wallet, just as you would for any other Apple Pay purchase. After selecting your card, the ATM will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN on its physical keypad for security. Next, choose your desired transaction from the on-screen options, such as a cash withdrawal. Then, specify the exact amount of cash you wish to receive. Once the transaction is complete, remember to collect your cash and your printed receipt before leaving the ATM. It's important to remember that not every ATM supports Apple Pay, so always look for the contactless symbol first. Also, be aware that your bank might have daily withdrawal limits, typically ranging from $500 to $1,000. For your safety, always be mindful of your surroundings when using any ATM. Finally, keep your Apple device secure and never share your PIN with anyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.